Dale here, Dad's Garage. We are at Joe's Diner for the Hanful Charity Christmas Run, and oh my God, how many cars are here and how tough do they sound. So this is going to be an awesome event. Can't wait to show you the cars at Joe's Diner for the Hanful Christmas Charity event. Let's go and have a look. Very nice. Oh, that is... See, love that. Beautiful piranha. The camera work now. Bumping it. Keep going. Trying to do two cameras at once here. Not working out that well. Two of my favourite cars right next to each other. That is amazing. Look at that. We've got to check it out inside. Beautiful car. Look at that. And then the wheels. Absolutely awesome. Beautiful. How cool is that? We've got the Monaro. This thing is stunning. HT, I believe. Hound's teeth interior, and a Toughie. How good's that? Now look at the rows of cars. Probably can't see because of the light, but there is rows and rows of cars lined up as usual. How we going, guys? Ryan, how are you, mate? Good to see you back. Got the car back. So we got rows of cars here, and have a look at this one up here. Actually, we got more than one. Have a look at it. Start off with this Camaro. Hard to see in the, you know, obviously black underneath the bridge under here, but oh my God, is it stunning or what? And then next to it is this beast. And that sounded awesome. So you haven't been to Joe's Diner before, massive events here in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Premium location for car events. You get up to 1,000 cars, lots of Toughies like this one at Joe's Diner, and it's just rows and rows and rows. Unbelievable. Oh, another beautiful. Look at the colour. A bit hard to see again. I'll get on this side. Under the bridge is always hard to get the colour, but that's stunning. Look at that. So we got rows and rows of cars. Going to be hard to get through them all. Another beautiful monaro. Wow. Look at the paint on this. Underneath this bridge, that just pops. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, they're all beautiful. Let's have a look at them. Stunning vehicles. Truck pulled up, had the kids in it, they were having a blast. How neat's this thing? Yeah. Hey, she's clean, I can tell you. That's the way I should do it. I'm going to get myself a skateboard and then learn how to skateboard. So, had this rotary pull in, it's really cool, very clean, beautiful interior, nice car, really nice car. Little Toughie. Let it pull up, got a few shots of the motor. And this truck was awesome. Gotta love trucks. This beautiful 57, I think it is. He pulled up. Mate, beautiful, beautiful car. Check out the interior. Bit hard to see in with the lighting, but beautifully patina style. Beautifully. Really well done. There's something missing on the front. Yeah. Right, this VL, oh, I love it. Have a look at this one. The paint's absolutely beautiful. Stunning car. Nice and clean interior. Yeah, that's nice. And the VH here. And under the bridge sometimes gets really hard to do interiors, but we got Nobby's car here. Have a look at this. Hey, Dave's Garage fan, old Nobby. Beautiful. It's got a really nice stance, beautiful car. Excuse me. I'll check that out. And obviously we've got Dad's 67, my LS1 Mercedes. Haven't had the LS1 out for a while. She's been tucked away under a blanket. So we've got Dad's 67 out today. Love this thing. Another Toughie here. DK. Wow, she's nice and clean too. Look at the interior. Oh, that's really nice. That's fantastic. We've got rows of cars up the side here. Got some tough little... I mean, these things might look too much on the outside, but have a look at this. Okay. Yeah. Same with this Corona. But on the outside, that's a seriously quick car. She's got roll cages, she's tubbed, she's got everything. That is not a stock Corona. I think this is a V8, this one, when it came in. It sounded awesome. These cars look beautiful against this the wall here. They've even got a really nice Merc up there, which is cool. Well, I'll go and do another row down here. Now this sounded tough. I think that's a video of that. I'll try to cut that in. And it stance is awesome. Now, it's a bit hard to pick up the paint, but it is beautiful. Stunning, stunning. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Been hard to get them all. That's tough. So sorry if I don't get your car. It is very hard to get every car. So, oh, this was a toughie pulling in. I didn't hear the. She's blowing. Nice little blower on top. Just to give it a tickle.
Oh, sorry, mate.
No, you're right. Look at that engine bay. How clean's that? Oh, that's really nice. 55. Beautiful. Wow, I've got a, is it a Bronco? Not great with my truck, sorry about that, but it's for sale. Very nice. Now, I heard this Commodore pulling in, and wow, didn't it sound tough. Hang on. Oh, no, got a Falcon. Let's have a listen to this. How you going? Oh, that sounds awesome. Mate, this thing's a beast. Have a look what's under the bonnet. That's awesome. Beautiful VL turbo. One of my favourites. This is really nice. I love that grill. Got a whole row of Commodores, every brand, make, size, year, date, and a beautiful VL wagon. Yes, please. That green. It's not a colour I thought I wanted to get, but I really like this green. Oh, nice interior. Yeah, very nice. Got some more beautiful cars up here. We'll fill up very shortly. There's that Falcon again, which is great. Again, I've got to move through fairly quick. There's so many cars, so sorry if I miss your car. Heard that Stingray pull in too. That was cool. And the Mac one on the end here. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I've got to get up the other end where Hanful and everything is. And we might have some weather coming in too, because it's a little bit, well, it's a little bit ugly. Have a look. Oh, wow, that's nice. Oh, that's the young fella who does the detailing on the cars. I've got to get him to do one of mine, actually. Sorry, Scotty. He travels. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, we got Michael's car at the end here as well. And I do love that. Looks like he's changed the stance a little bit. A little bit older school. Got the front end up a bit higher, I think. Look at that Tirana. Oh, my 202. That's a really cool car as well. So we'll have to check them out on the way back. Let's have a look at Michael's car. Come on, GoPro, get the light right. Yeah, she's beautiful. The interior's stunning. As I said, he's changed the stance a little bit. Stunning new stand. Well, that's pretty cool inside, eh? Very nice. Alright, let's check out this next row. What have we got up here? Oh, one of my little favourite 120Ys. I always love this one. It's got something about it, really cool. And the Supra. I got the ride of a photographer then. I always seem to do that. This thing is so tough, eh? It's beautiful. HD. Well, we'll get this last row done, and then we'll get up to the other end of where Hanful and some of the other Toughies are. A little bit for some beef startup. That is so cool. Alright. So make sure you follow these guys, NA Street Mafia on Insta. How cool does that sound? Joe's Diner. Every type, every make, every shape. Awesome location for a car meet. You can look after our four-wheel driving friends. There you go. It's this road. Very cool hot rod. Look at this thing. It's awesome. Hey? Yeah, that's trouble that people go to set up their cars for a display so that, you know, we could enjoy them. Oh, that's clean. Again, the light's hard to see. Paint's beautiful. Look at that interior. Oh, that's nice. A bit better this way. Yeah, that's a bit better. And this, stunning. Underneath the bridge, this looks beautiful. What a machine. Nice. Oh, that's awesome. Those ones got the flames on it. And sound really nice when you pull it up. Supercharged 6. Oh wow. Oh, we got the beautiful E8 wags. Toughies. Gotta love that though. Wow. Another stunning vehicle. There you go, the wind's coming up. This is beautiful, this colour. Not sure if it's Inca gold, but it's a beautiful colour.
Is that a supercharger? It's not running.
Yeah.
Got no belt on it.
Yeah, little.
Belt's gone.
Oh, she's just a pretend one. Yeah, this is a toughie, this one. And a beautiful car as well. Have a look at this. Well, let's check out the. How cool is that? There we go. That is awesome. What a beautiful car. I'll tuck and roll it in. Yeah, this is, look at this. Look at the colour. Look at the colour on that one. Beautiful. Is that yours? Yeah. No, very nice. Oh, that is beautiful. Cobra. 351. Very nice. What a great event. Absolutely awesome. We got some beautiful cars here. You can't stop at them all. Unfortunately, there is just too many. So, oh, I'll stop this one, huh? Little brap. Cinematic. Okay, I'm getting good at that cinematic bloody videography stuff. So, this is so cool. That is so cool. Another brap. Oh, she got a little turbo. That's nice. Way to pull it up. Sounded awesome. Oh man, that's cool as well. There's a massive number of cars, so we'll try to get through so that we don't have another all Holden Day 1 hour video. Oh, this is so clean. We see it all the time, but beautiful car. The paint is stunning. Look at that engine bay. Quickly check out the interior. It is a beautiful car. Absolutely stunning. And another one. Look at that. That green is stunning. Coupe Brocky. It's no usual colour. It's got like a blue to it. Which I like. Yeah, this one pull up as well. Try to cut that in here if I can. Sounded awesome. This one I've videoed a few times. Tough 350. That was in the All Holden Day. Sounds awesome. So we'll try to cut that in as well. yeah, we've got some beautiful Mustangs. Won't stop at every one of them, we can't. Oh, gotta have a look at Santa skeleton. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is beautiful. Nice and clean. That is awesome. Look at that. Hey, Wainscot just rebuilt the motor. It's running really well. It's beautiful. Oh, we got a couple of little, no, one big snail. Oh, nice. Look at this one. Oh, that's really nice. You'll see the paint. I mean, again, hopefully the camera picks it up. Nice Brocky. Cool, let's go and check out now. These are awesome. So these are Joel's car, match the pair, and absolutely beautiful. So they're all bagged. Let's have a look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Have a look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Very, very cool.
All I want for Christmas is a rock and roll Fender guitar.
Yeah, awesome. So we got the music going on. We got Joe's Diner putting out some fantastic food, and we got some amazing cars here. So unbelievable event. We're doing this for charity. Hanful and the team. Oh, that's nice. Should have skipped past that ticket. Oh, it's got a barrel. Oh, this one pulling up. Sounds awesome. Now here's Hanful up here, so we'll go and check it out, and it's a beautiful car, mate. He can throw it around too, he drifts it, not this one, the purple one, but we'll check this out first. And oh, look at that, that is beautiful. So Hanful's the next one, and this is an amazing car. And man, can't he drive it, absolutely drifts it. He does displays, burnouts, and drives it on the street. There's no trailer princess. It is driven and driven hard. It's an awesome car. Check that out. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, Mark, he really can drive it. Like, throws this thing around. Check out the boot and the wheels. That is amazing. And these are the guys that organise this cruise. They help raise money for charity, kids' toys. Great people. Really lead the way in the car community to do more than, you know, just show off their cars. They help raise money. They do all these Andes. This has started in the all Holden video. The opening scene. It is beautiful, tough, quick. Man, and he drives it like he stole it. So. This is awesome. Oh, Streeter, mate, really, these guys are a great bunch of people too, eh? They're really, really, really nice bunch of people. And can't think of his name, the owner of this one, but he's bloody great guy. And what a beautiful car, and she's seriously quick as well. And I think these are very close. I think one wins 1 week. Nice, a beautiful yellow Stato Seismic. I gotta love a petite truck. Very, very cool. Oh, nice. On the motorbike's head now. bit of noise, which is good. This is a toughie. We've seen this one before, but she's an absolute beast. Look at the wheels. Check it out. How you going? Good. Absolute beast, this thing. So have a look at that. Fantastic. Got her VL. I'd like the keys to that one. Gotta love a VL. Oh, she's clean too. Oh, we've got a clubby. All cinematic stuff, mate. Stop it! We need a drone, don't we? And this one's, again, another toughie. She's absolutely beautiful. Check it out. Awesome beast. Right, very nice. Love it.
Thanks, mate.
Very cool. We'll go check out the rest of them around here. We're going to run out of battery soon, so I'll have to change that. There's quite a few around the back here. And so, they look fantastic up against this wall here too. Oh, we've got Charlie's over there. That looks great actually over there. He's normally parked in the middle, but it looks really good there. It's a beautiful truck. That is awesome. Now, I've been trying to talk to Charlie for about 3 years now, and unfortunately Charlie loves a chat. He's bloody hard to catch up with. But look at this engine bay. This car is stunning. Check it out. It's a bit hard to video, it's a dark car, so I've been trying to chat to Charlie for about 5 years, I think, but he never stops talking, so I'll get there one day. Absolutely beautiful. We'll come back and see if we can have a chat to Charlie about that one. But this is also stunning, this one. This is absolutely beautiful. A little bit less custom, but a stunning car. Have a look at that. That is beautiful. That's a beautiful car, that one. Absolutely sensational. They raised a heap of money for charity. There was heaps of toys for the kids. Actually, I'll get some video of that. And have a look at the cars behind us. You got Hanful, and you got this beautiful beast here, the Tirana. We got Streeter. Absolutely fantastic. So, Dash Garage, like, subscribe. There's that little heart-shapey thing with a dollar sign. You can whack a few dollars if you want to help us get some microphones to do some more interviews. All right, thank you. Now have a look at this thing, it's for sale. Now, I'll just start with the wheels. Let's just start there. Let's see if I can get underneath and have a look at this.